online class grade 6. We have to do unit number 2 integers. So all the students open your book page number 23 and also open your notebook. Students, today we have to do integers and its properties. So students, you know that in the introduction we have the shortly intro about the additive properties of addition, multiplication, properties of addition and distributive properties of addition. So according to this we have to do after question number 4, and question number 3 is about your integers. Let's say that write a whole number and write a even and then find difference about that. So let me start our today lecture. Look at it, question number 3. They say that find the difference between the largest 3-digit whole number and the smallest 3-digit even number. Students, you know that the largest firstly the whole number is in a natural number 1 to 9 is 9. The largest number is 9 and the 3-digit largest number is 999. After that we make is 1000 and 1001, that's we make a 4 digits number. So it means that the largest 3-digit number is 999 and smallest 3-digit number is 100, because that when you have the previous number is 19 and after number of 101 and 102. So 101 is the odd number and 102 is the even number, but the even number, the smallest even number is 100. They say that find the difference. When you have find the difference of any question numbers, it means that you have to subtract both values, then you find out the difference. Okay, so number is 999. When you have subtract 100, the number is 899. So let me see question number 4, in which we have to do use descriptive property, in which we have take common and then we have multiply this value. According to